Based on the premise or the timeline na nilatag po kanina ni Undersecretary Claire Castro, how convinced is the Executive Department doon sa mga swirling rumors na the chaos in the Senate yesterday was staged, allegedly?
Well, that is a part of an ongoing investigation. Ipinasok naman po lahat yan. Sa ngayon po, magkatulong po ang NBI at ang PNP. Re-reviewin po natin yung mga footages kung may mga CCTV at we will use po yung atin po mga forensic capabilities para malaman po natin kung ano po talaga yung nangyari. Ano po.
Would you say that the incident at the Senate last night was staged for whatever reason?
Kaya po nung sinabi ko, Sir Ivan, ano po, yan po ay bahagi pa ng ating ongoing investigation. Ang mapari lang po namin mailahad sa inyo, yung pong inilahad din ni Yuse Claire Castro na factual kung paano po nangyari. We'd rather not draw conclusion po sa isang ongoing investigation. But rest assured po that we have final result of the investigation ay papaalam po natin to sa publiko.
Tama po yun. On the part of the Philippine National Police, katulad nung sinabi ko kanina, papasalamat ako, nandito ang ating Director NBI in as much as the Philippine National Police, siya po ang maglilid ng investigation dito. And of course, we need to account kung sino ang may armas and or sino ang security forces na nandun. Of course, meron tayong GSIS building security and nandyan na rin ang NBI na were requested to beef up the security at that building, as well as we have the GSIS building being occupied by the Senate. So tinitignan natin yon, the security are meron po tayong security, meron tayong PSPG to beef up the security ng OSAA. Actually, nagdagdag pa nga ng 10. Plus, security coming from the PSPG. These are the for VIPs, especially our senators. And security na uniform coming from the armed forces, particularly the Philippine Marines. So, one by one, we are accounting them. And accounting as well as the usual interview investigation. Nanguna na of course ang ating USA and of course ang ating NBI nandito, and they will fully cooperate, especially in the usual investigation. And as of now, of course, there are about 20 personalities na nakita na, and it will be, these statements will be i-compare po natin sa mga ebidensya, like for example physical evidence, empty shells, lalo na yung ating CCTV footages.